Hey guys, we're back again. I opened one of these by accident because I was being retarded. So this is going to be the first one, but I have 8 packs. There's 7 here. Yeah, here we go. Snivy, Pokeball, Spoink, Pikachu, Switch, Darmanitan. That looks pretty pissed off. Sandslash, Diagonal. Oh, it's a computer search.
What?
That's a pretty sweet pull for the first opening. And then a Shaman. So yeah.
Just not as amazing.
There's the first pack. This one's going pretty good so far. Damn.
Extremely shiny.
Nice. Spoink. Pikachu. I think there's another in here. I don't want to cheat. Switch. Tepig. Charmander. Mindfu. Delicati. Servine. A Venipede. And a Superior. There wasn't another. Yeah.
Looked like it. There was a double shine.
Alright. Switch, Tepig, Charmander, Purloin, Venipede, reverse town map. That seems to be really early.
Yeah, you didn't.
Oh, I didn't do the thing, that's why. Okay, there's the town map. That's pretty cool. And a Hollow Crustal.
What the hell does that do?
Oh, wow. If it would be knocked out, if this Pokemon has full HP and would be knocked out by damage from an attack, this Pokemon is not knocked out, and its remaining HP becomes 10 instead. So they can't one-shot your Crustal. That's pretty cool.
What were the others?
And then another Eradicate. And these 3. Don't really need the extra Eradicate. I'm looking... Oh! Well, never mind. Yeah, I'm looking for Rattata. So we pulled 3 Eradicates with the pre-release. Switch, Tepig, Purloin, Pokeball, Pikachu, Dispersia City Gym, Delicati, Vibrava, Scizor, Reverse, and a Jellicent. Scizor looks pretty sweet. You're holding it low. Voltorb, Duskull. I like the look of that card. Scyther, Bidove, Trapinch, Grodunk, Lopunny, Delicati, Dunsparce Reverse, and Musharna.
That was the same thing that we had. It was the exact same ones.
Really?
Yeah.
It's pretty funny. Right, just move these aside. 3 more packs.
And hopefully one more epic pull.
Hoping. So far, out of 20 packs, we've gotten a Computer Search and a Crustlet EX. And 2 Deados, which are pretty cool. Sandshrew, Buenary, Psyduck, Vullaby, Spinda. I think that's the first one of those I've seen.
Yeah.
Huh. A Skyla, that's a good card. Swanna, Dispersia City Gem, a Reverse Mukita, and a Unpheasant. Feel good about this one. Spoink, Charmander, Snivy, Switch, Tepig, Snorlax, Petilil, Munna, Wobbuffet, and a Shaman. Never mind, I lied. Last pack. Please be something good. Numel, Rattata. I needed that. Ducklet, Sandshrew, Psyduck, Raticate, Mandibuzz, Dispersia City Gym, Venipede, and a Stoutland. As long as it's your active Pokemon, your opponent can't play any supporter cards.
Ooh.
Well, then that would be a good card.
No support.
Wow.
No support from them.
That's pretty sweet, guys. I'm happy with that. That's a really good card. And then does 90, flip a coin. If tails, it does 20 to itself, so it's not that bad. Awesome. Okay. That is all, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess I'll do an overview of the good cards. Hold on, guys. Okay. So here are our rares. Scizor, reverse. Golduck, reverse. Victini, reverse. A Cressula EX. Golduck, reverse again. A Shaman. A Ditto. Audino. Musharna. Camerupt. Grumpig. Whimsicott. Meowloda. White Kyurem. Bellossom. Jellicent. Another Ditto, reverse. Stoutland. Shaman. Unpheasant. Musharna. Jellicent. Crustle. Superior. Computer Search, which looks pretty sexy. And a Shaman. That's all, guys. Thanks. Bye.